Hello friends, welcome. Today I'm showing you how to make this delicious slow cooker beef ribs recipe. This is one of my favorite ways to make ribs. They're so soft and tender. They're packed with flavor and they fall right off the bone. Let's get started. We're using beef ribs for this recipe. You can also use pork ribs. Make sure you cut the ribs into pieces that will fit your slow cooker very well. We're going to start by seasoning the ribs with some spices. So in this bowl we have some brown sugar, smoked paprika, dried thyme, garlic and onion powder, salt, pepper and chili powder. Generously sprinkle the seasoning mix all over the beef ribs. Once the ribs are well seasoned, set them aside for later. Then we're going to put together a delicious sauce for the ribs. I have some barbecue sauce in this bowl. Into that, we're going to add some soy sauce. We're also adding some Worcestershire sauce, then mixing everything together. Next, we're going to grab half of the beef ribs, then place them into the slow cooker. Pour half of the sauce over the ribs. Place the remaining ribs into the slow cooker, then pour the rest of the sauce all over the ribs. Place the slow cooker lid on, then let the ribs slow cook for 6 to 8 hours on low. And here are the ribs when they're all done slow cooking. These will make your home smell so good. You can skim off any excess oil. There's going to be so much sauce to enjoy the ribs with. These beef ribs came out so soft and fall off the bone tender. The ribs have so much flavor. This is a great slow cooker recipe to make, especially for winter, and it's best served over some mashed potatoes. If you guys would like to try this slow cooker beef ribs recipe, check the description box for all the ingredients and measurements.